I've been teaching family and consumer science, culinary arts, home economics. My favorite unit to teach them is always cooking. I love to cook. I'm a chef by trade.
I actually get to cook and make food, and yeah, I love food.
Being able to cook with your friends at school is really fun. It's so much more exciting because you learn new things and stuff you wouldn't learn in a normal class.
So the first thing we learn in this class is safety in the kitchen.
Wash your hands, you gotta wash your hands.
How to prevent foodborne illness, and they have to make safety posters, which you can see here. I think that helps them remember the rules.
I know how to cook a bunch of things, but when I found out I can take this class, it was no question about it. I was taking this class. It's been a lot of stuff I learned, a bunch more stuff I will learn.
A lot of them want to go to the CTE programs at Hug and Debbie Smith and go talk to Chef Lee or go talk to Chef Fred at AACT or Chef Josh. I would say it's like nuclear fission in their mind. It's not just a light bulb, it's like a million light bulbs, so that's my favorite part.